Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2007 to 2014 FJ Cruiser. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Hold the part up to the frame, using the frame holes as reference points, and mark out its coverage. Draw your cut line about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the rail. Step 3. Move any lines and power harnesses from the work area and begin cutting along your cut line. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Push the part onto the frame while using the frame holes to help with alignment. C-clamp and tack weld the part into place and verify its alignment. Completely weld the part around all edges. Finally, spray the work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent against further rust development. And you're done.